Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome to day 6 of my December daily. And this is a combination actually of day 5 and day 6. I had my grandkids, but we had a new family member born yesterday. So I'm putting the two stories from 5 and 6 together, and that's fine. And I can talk about it when I do it. I thought it was time that I could use this Santa card. And the reason being is, this was so cool. In the Midwest, we celebrate St. Nick's Day. And so St. Nick leaves things in your shoes. In this case, the little presents, which, smaller presents like books, and there's some new pajamas in here for the kids. And candy canes were in their shoes. So my daughter-in-law gave me the stuff because it was going to be St. Nick's Day. And I was overjoyed. I've never gotten to do that. So it was so much fun to have them wake up this morning, and I videoed it so that I could send it to their parents then. So I thought this card would be appropriate to put in between these two because I have so many photos, and I actually think I even had one more, but I really don't have room for it, so that's fine. And I looked to see, I used to have some pockets that I could extend them, and I don't. So I won't be adding any more photos. Otherwise, I would have done like photo flips on some of these. It's not going to work this time. Anyway, so we'll just pop this in here, and then the back of this can be used for my journaling, which means I need two things to happen. First of all, I need something for this because we're working on the back of the baby layout from yesterday. So I decided I really liked this green, but as I'm looking at it, okay, and I think I'm going to shorten this up a little bit because we don't need that picture in here. And I can always justify it this way if I want to, so I can fit something else on this if I decide that's what I want to do, because I don't think I want to cut anything more off. The kids are sitting here and we watched a movie based on the Elf on the Shelf and the Grinch. So there's this cute little piece here that says holiday movie time. I also have this Polar Express piece from Christmas last year from my Redefine Creative. The only problem is this will never fit because I want to be able to see the popcorn bowl and that kind of stuff. Maybe this is one of those places where I want to bring in some washi as well, so that helps that piece stand out. So I'm going to just put that there. I probably won't want to use the green because I have green polka dots here. What I want to do is make sure that I'm okay with the two polka dots as I flip the page here. And I'm not actually loving that. So in my extra pieces of paper, there is a green grid. And that's fine. I mean, I'm going to cut most of these up anyway to be 4x6s. I am going to need a card for some journaling, and I want a card with a lot of space, so I'll figure that out too. So what I might as well do first is just get this attached to this card. Make that happen. And, this could be great for journaling on. I'm not going to use it that way, though. Okay, and I think I'm going to like that better. Yeah, that just looks a little bit better. So then the question is, do I want to do that with the holiday movie time there? And I really think I would like a little bit of washi tape coming into the corner of this so that you can see that holiday movie time a little bit better. And there's nothing down there but their feet. They all have, you can't see hers, but they all have a little stuffed animal. They've got their blankets. They were all curled up on the couch. I thought my granddaughter, who was my shadow while she was here, was going to curl up with me, but she wanted to curl up with her brothers. Part of it, I think, is at the beginning. I had some stuff I needed to get done because I needed to get their popcorn ready. Okay, so let's just grab this. Just making sure that I can get that whole holiday movie time on here, and it's stuck a little bit faster than I wanted it to. That's okay, because I want to drop it down just a little bit more. Okay. That's good. And then I will just wrap this. Put a little, I'm going to double, I think this is one of those color cast ones it is that has a sticky on the back. And I think we'll just do that, put that there. And then I think I'm going to, let's see, do I want to justify it all the way? I think so. Justify it all the way to the right side of this. And then I can always add another little embellishment right there if I decide that's what I want to do. Now, I need something for the back of this. So let's look at that. I didn't even look at this prior ahead of time. So let's see if I can find something. I know these on this December Day cards are fairly large. Not large enough. I need something that's basically a frame, and that's it. Because I have a lot to say here. I do like the On This Day in December piece, and I'm thinking green just to go back to that. So Holiday Happiness is kind of cute. I have to, excuse me, trim that a little bit, but that's okay. There's one that says, oh, here, notes from this December, quite good, busy, long day. Perfect. And there's lots of room to write on that. And then I'm going to trim the top of this just a titch to make it actually fit so I don't have to punch a hole through this. Perfect. I do have these really cute gnomes that I thought would be really fun on this, but then it'll take away quite a bit of my space. Okay, then just kind of looking ahead, they're decorating cookies here. So I think I want to put something on there. So I'm going to alternate some, oh, look at cute. Our favorite baking special memories. So much fun. I want to add, this is so cute, because I could do this more sprinkles, please, because my granddaughter was like all about those sprinkles. And then maybe with the favorite cookies on top. So let's get this favorite cookies piece here. And I'm taking up not very pretty space in photos too. And I'm not necessarily going to do this on every photo, but on a number of them. Oops. Just realized I probably should make sure that I have the please on here. I want to cut the flag end off of this one. I don't need the flag. Okay, so we have that one a little crooked. And I think it's going to have to stay that way because otherwise, yeah, it's a little crooked. I think it's stuck though. Yeah, so I'm either going to ruin the photo or I'm going to live with that. I'm going to live with that. So then a little bit of green here. Just want to see if, oh, here's one that says, love this tradition, which would be awesome for that. But now, and I think some green. The only problem is I've got, I don't have wood over on this other side, but I just realized what I could do. I could add some of these cookie looking little stickers here on this. So let's do green up here. Make sure I have enough room for Love This Tradition. So I'm going to kind of echo what I did at that other one down here, but just with a different color. Again, these are color casts, so they have the stuff on it. Okay, that one. I'm going to do this, and then now the other thing I could do is use a green candy cane as well, but I think I'm going to do green, like a green star on this one. Maybe bring it in there, and then a red star here. And I only have this one, so we're going to make it work. It's going to be big, but there's plenty of room. Okay, so now I'm bringing across, maybe it's not the exact phrase sticker, but at least it looks similar. So I think this is good the way it is. I also need to get my number on here somewhere. I'm just remembering that. Oh, it could go on the Santa Claus piece. So I have to remember that I have Santa to do yet. Oh, and I just mucked up my page from yesterday a little bit here. Be careful when I've done that. Oh, and this is not good. I forgot. Yeah, this needs to go between the two, not just wrapped around the back. Oh my goodness. I have these photos, so I can obviously reprint them if I need to. I just would not like to have to do that. Already, always time to crunch. Okay, so let's see if I can get this in without wrecking either side. Okay, that's good. We're playing Candyland here, which I thought was fun. Okay, so Santa would be nice with a little green number on him somewhere. I was thinking white, but I think it would be better with green, and maybe some of these puffies, and maybe a little phrase. So I'm going to look for my green puffy stickers again. Here's my 6. I know I'm getting ahead of myself a little bit here, but that's okay. And I think this one can go in then. So the 6, just wanted to see if there's anything about, oh, here, this is cute. The Christmas tradition piece. Actually, even better, I've got a green that says Merry Christmas. Okay, we could get the 6 on there, and now, let's see, do I have any? I have a red heart, or do we want that over here somewhere? Actually, I think we'll be okay. Put that 6 with that little heart there. Okay, so that'll go there. We'll flip it. I need some wood on this side. So around the table, deck the halls, December memories. Which that would be weird. They are giving each other massages, and they know Grandma's a massage therapist, so it's just funny. They're trying to work me out of a job, I think. There's a cute little sticker here that says making a mess, and boy, was that true. Maybe even just this simple December and photos down here. Yeah. And actually, I'm going to leave this. This one is so thick. I'm going to put it on the outside. The other ones are really, really thin. And we'll just do December and photos down here. There's so much going on this side. I don't know that I want to do a ton more. But maybe this green star here. so that it kind of echoes the stars and stuff going on the other side. And I'm going to do a big layout for them about the cookie baking and all of that. So I think this is good because there's a lot going on there. This, though, notes from this day, so much fun. Baking spirits bright. Favorite holiday treats. Time to decorate our tradition. That's not necessarily true. Let me look and see if there's, let's see, in the air. That's kind of cute. Good cheer found here, but that's in green. Maybe holiday happiness. I was looking for something that said like family. There's a gather together, but like more like, oh, family forever. Yeah, we'll just do that. We're going to just do family forever. And on this, I'm not going to bring any of the washi tape. And then I guess the thing I like about that too is when I flip that over to read the journaling, and that can go up here, which is nice. When I flip this over to read the journaling, it'll have another wood piece on it too. So that'll pull back to that. You've got those there. I was just going to see if I could do a little so much fun on this one. But that's a lot. There's so much going on that side. I think, well, so much going on in general. Okay, so I've got my 6 on here. We use some washi. I'm ready for the stories here. Let me put this guy in here. So you see that that's on there. There we go. And then tomorrow when I do this, I'm going to have a 4x4 fours, but I only have, I'm going to tell a story from, really, it's a new decorating piece. So it's not like I've got, a big story to tell, but that's when I use some of the filler cards, that maybe I don't have as much room on. All right, guys. So that is our story from day 6. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye.